Hello and welcome to another video tutorial from Easyok. I hope you're going to enjoy watching this video tutorial. In today's video you are going to learn how to pin a comment on your YouTube videos. So we are going to demonstrate using just one video. You can replicate to other videos. So remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so that you can receive notifications of video uploads. So first go to your YouTube channel, log into your YouTube channel or YouTube studio, then go to content, then look for the video you want to pin a comment, then from the icons choose the one with the view on YouTube. So the video will play, you'll have to stop it. So just scroll down to the comment section. Just a comment there. So that is our comment. So we'll just click on comment, then on the comment you'll see some 3 dots on the right side here. Click on the dots, then pin. So the pop-up will ask you to, if you want to pin a comment. So just click on pin. Yes, and it will show you that this comment is pinned. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. Remember to share, like and subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials. Thank you.